Good morning, you guys. We have a beautiful sunny day today. Got the C63 with the crazy wheels in the back. We'll show you guys later. But for now, we're gonna do the E350. Dun 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 dun. Oh my God! What did we do here yesterday? Look at this. Took out the took out the intake manifold. Took out the timing covers and the magnets, and we swapped the chain tensioners. There's a brand new one right there and a brand new one right there. That was a lot of fun. So let's finish this bad boy up. We got to put everything together. We got some clean covers. Ta-da! And that's it. Let's get this one rolling. Literally rolling. Hopefully by 3 p.m. today. Hopefully.
We can.
Yeah, we can. All right. Let's finish this bad boy up. Start her up. Hopefully we get no timing chain massive rattling sound. We already checked the sprockets with the 27mm. Bam, right there. No sprocket problems. Just tensioners went bad. Oh, what a good life. Okay, guys, there's one very big mistake that we made. Well, at least I made. We made. Whatever you want to call it. Whenever you're disassembling lots and lots of stuff on a car, especially bolts, put them back to where they were. If you take off like some sort of sensor, some sort of plug, like whatever. Here, we took off a plug. And there's like a little connector, whatever, here. Instead of taking the bolt and throwing it into one of these, put it back on right there. Just put it back. Literally, that way you'll know exactly which bolt goes where. Never throw them into things like this. Because then, bro, we did this yesterday. How are we supposed to remember which bolt goes where now? Like, we remember some of them, but what if one is longer than the other one and we don't remember? So, big mistake. If you're ever fixing a car by yourself, don't do this. Do not. Like, it's a bad idea. You're gonna forget. Even after like a couple hours, and God help you if it's the next day, you will forget. So now we're gonna have to assemble this puzzle and get all these bolts back into where they were supposed to go. That's gonna be very fun. Oh my. Okay, so we solved the problem of where the bolts go. So if you are missing bolts and you don't know where they go, figure it out this way. Put them back in like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, then these two little ones go in the back of the PCV, 1, then 2, then these green ones go on the top of the magnets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And got our beautiful silicone here, Mercedes approved. Let's finish this bad boy up. Easy peasy, right? The master of torquing. To 44.7475575544000057 foot-pounds. Conversion.
You said to 45.
45.
I wish it was 44.
Round up to 45. Click, click. That's it. That's how you do it, guys. Easy, right?
Them, right? Yeah.
I don't know. You tell me.
I like to think that.
How was it? Oh, we have a video to prove it now. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, you're right.
I didn't know. I started filming Midway.
GG.
GG. Now you don't know which ones you torqued.
No, I started from here.
Okay.
I went around. Yeah.
Did you?
Yeah. This is the one I'm worried about.
No, it's good. It's good.
I did.
Okay, so you're good. Okay, so double checking his work. Okay, guys, no distractions from now on. Okay, start from the top over here, go all the way around, and end at this one.
What is this?
Bro, that's not my problem, that's your problem. Okay, guys, be right back.
We've removed the engine.
Yeah, remove the engine. Go back one more time.
Wait, let me cut it.
Hold up.
Unplug the purge line at the
I want to cut it because I cut it perfectly 2 times.
Oh my God.
To help you see better,
To help you see better,
we've removed the engine.
we've removed the engine. Remove the engine. Well, no, they removed the engine. But anyways, we got the covers back on. We got the solenoids and the magnets back on. Now it's time to reconnect everything, put the intake manifold back on, and start the car. Pretty much. Okay. We're almost done.
Undo.
Almost done. This is actually not that hard. It looks like it's a lot, but it's actually not that bad. All right, we connected all the connectors. Everything looks good. We just got all the connectors for the intake and the throttle body. Now we got the bolts out, put the new gaskets. Hardest bolt to put in is going to be kind of that one back there. You can't really see it. And then this one. But that's what we got our little magnet for with the screw on the tip. Should be easy. Let's get this intake on top. We are almost done. Easy peasy. Right? Okay guys, so allegedly we did it. Boom. All of that just for those stupid covers and stupid magnets, right? Right. So the worst one was this one bolt in the back. Not this one that I'm looking at right there, but there's one down there. You can't even see it. It's like behind all the lines. Hold on, let me see if I can get some light to it. Can't even see it. That's how hard it is to get to. Wait, can we? Nope, can't even focus on it. It's like impossible. There's one bolt in there. You have to like pray. You just pray like you. Unbelievable. The worst thing ever. Don't ever touch those bolts in the back, even though you have to. Okay, let's get her started and let's see if it blows up. No noise. Don't worry, that's okay. Shut it off and turn it back on. Start it again. See? Told you. No rattle. That's it. It sounds okay. It's good.
I feel this engine vibrate over that. Like right now it's vibrating on full set.
No leaks, no nothing. Looks good. You wanna go for a test drive? Okay guys, and just like that we are done. E-Class is good. Vroom! That's it. We're back in the C63. Time for more adventures. That was a nice little repair video. Super fun. And now we'll see you guys in the next video to discuss the rear wheels of the C63. That's going to be super exciting. I'll see y'all tomorrow with a new video. Peace.